What's up everyone, so before we get into the video, don't forget that we have some free stickers and some keychains available at JD Airsoft in Cannock, so next time you're there, help support the cause, buy a keychain for £3.50 or grab a free sticker on your way out. So for this video we are at Warzone in Coventry. If you haven't ever been to Warzone, they are based in Coventry obviously, and it's a mix of woodland and sort of town CQB kind of style gameplay. Big shout out to some of the Force Fury members for being there today, and Ray Chapo. I'm going to be using my SEMA AK and my High Kappa. The game mode is we have to spawn this side and the enemy team spawn this side. We have one life, we are defending and the enemy team are attacking. They essentially have to push us all out. They have unlimited lives, we just have one life, and it's whoever can do it in the quickest time. Let's see how it goes. I'm with you.
Yeah, man. It's a nice angle.
Yeah.
But it's a bit risky.
Yeah.
So I feel like we should hold it for a bit and then push back.
Yeah, push back, yeah.
It's whoever does it the quickest.
Well, if they can see all of us like standing here, they're definitely not going to come this way.
Yeah,
you'll get a couple.
No, Ted! That's the plan anyway.
Shut up, clock in and load up.
Oh, you got some already? Go on now. It's dropping them. Running that side? Is there any running that side? Woo! That was close. How close? Go straight ahead. Yeah, yo, I got like 2 or 3 behind the dirt in front. Kind of pinned. Hit! I'm hit! Holding them though. We've still got people up top. We've still got people up top in the main building, in the front. We've got a couple down here. Still got a couple over there on the far side where I was, and they're still pushing.
Ready to push?
I hate this angle.
No, top left. Top left. Can't shoot through that anyway.
Can you make a push?
Alright lads, fuck it. I can't shoot him, he's too close.
Where?
Right window, bottom right window.
What, in here?
You clicked the ball.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him. Hey, they're not allowed. Hey, that's suppressing. That's suppressing. They're not allowed to full auto. Not in buildings, I don't think. What a shit! Alright, okay. Thank you. Push up! Push it! Hey! Oh man, blood. Yeah, I think we're good to push up. You good, Chapel?
Yeah, that's Jack. Oh man.
She's there now.
Oh man, that doesn't look good.
Oh, go on. Do you need a gun?
No, I got one back at base.
Okay. Do you want to borrow my pistol? There ain't much in it then.
Mine's out as well.
Check how much there is.
What? Like 8 and a dream.
You know the white building on the left, all the way back? Yeah. There's one in there. And I think there's one up top, where that red marshal is up top, on this closest building. Yeah, it's still there at the back, it's still there at the back. Oh no, it might be hit.
Oh, that's forward.
Yeah, come with you, come on. Top right window. Oh yeah, I see him. It's hit. Top right window's hit. Blue, push up!
One in below the stairs, right hand side.
I think there's one behind the marshal. At the top mid, top mid. Good push. So what happened? It's just jammed?
Yeah, I think the springs came out.
Oh shit, yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
I just need to get in spring. MP7.
Yeah, I bought my MP7, I was going to use it, but
Yeah.
I don't know, I quite like running this instead. It's my worst nightmare, you know, when you're in the middle of a game and your gun packs up.
Yeah, you're going to die.
Trust me. So I always bring like 3 backup guns.
Yeah. To be honest, I kind of said it to myself as well, this gun's going to fucking die. I'm going to hammer it today.
Yeah. Do you use green or red?
Black.
Oh, black, okay. That's probably why.
Yeah.